Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today I will give you some amazing Android tips, tricks and hacks. Click and hold on your screen for 5 seconds. You will get an option for wallpapers. Scroll down, you will see many cool wallpapers. You even get a 3D wallpaper. Click on it. And then here is the demo. They even show you the demo how it looks. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. I will choose this. Click on set wallpaper, home screen or lock screen. I will choose home screen. And once you tap on your screen, many colorful lines will come. Isn't this cool? If you have a WhatsApp group with a lot of notifications and it disturb you, you can go to settings and mute notifications. You can mute it for 1 hour, 1 week or even a year. And if there's a person who you talk to frequently and you want a shortcut so you can talk to him quicker, go to his account and click on more. You will see an option add shortcut. Click on it and click on add automatically. Once you go back to your home page, you will see that his account is on your screen. This trick is in the camera. Go to your camera and click on Google Lens, which is on the top left corner of your screen. And point towards a barcode and click on the shutter. Once you click on the shutter, you get a lot of information about the item that you have purchased and you even get the ratings. Even this trick is in Google Lens, but this is different because this is the last option, which is translation, and you do not even need to adjust the language as there is auto detection. You just need to point the camera towards an item on which another language is written, and you will automatically see that the translation is coming on your screen. This trick is on the home screen. Click on any app and hold it for a few seconds, and then a small page will appear showing all the information about the app and how many friends you have. This doesn't work for every app, but it works for most of the apps. And then if you click on an app and click on gadgets like WhatsApp, I will choose the messages. It will show me the unread messages on my home screen. Click on WhatsApp and hold it for a few seconds. An option will appear, widgets. Click on it. Scroll sideways and you will get a camera option. This works if you want to click a photo for WhatsApp and you want a shortcut for it without entering WhatsApp. Click on the photos sign for a few seconds and drag it wherever you want to. Thank you guys for watching my video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel, and for more informative videos like this, smash the subscribe button.